Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Oh, hey there, good looking. I'm gonna sit there and show you how I make the German potato salad out of the canned German potato salad that we canned up back in 2020. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. Here's the juice and here's the potatoes. Now we're just gonna sit there and put the potatoes in a bowl and the juice here. I'm gonna add some cornstarch. We're gonna thicken it up a bit, and also I'm gonna add just a tad bit of bacon grease. I have my jar of cornstarch that I see I need to replenish, which is okay because I bought 5 pounds of cornstarch. So I'm gonna sit there and grab a heaping teaspoon, and we're just gonna mix it up with the juices that came out of our canned German potato salad. Okay, I have my heaping teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm just adding it to the juices of the canned German potato salad. I grabbed myself a spatula so we can just go right down on in and mix all that cornstarch right on in. Now I'm just gonna run over and I'm gonna grab the bacon grease. Here's my bacon grease. So I'm gonna sit there and get a spoon, and we're just gonna add just a small little smidge to our German potato salad. Okay, I have a small little smidge, and that's more than enough. I'm gonna add that down in the jar. We're gonna give this another good swirl, and we're gonna hand it off to Chef Mike. So let me go ahead, give this all a good swirl, and we'll be back. Well, I'm waiting for Chef Mike, so I went ahead and I grabbed my bag of, this is 5 pounds of real crumpled bacon. Now I'm gonna go ahead, open it up, and we're gonna grab out some of it and put it with our German potato salad. I have a little bit less than half of a cup, so I'm just gonna sit there and add this to our German potato salad. I'm gonna give a good pinch of black pepper. I'm gonna grab my dried minced onion. Okay, my sauce was just handed back off to me. Now I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a stir, and at the same time I'm gonna sit there and test the sourness or sweetness to all this. Now when you're doing this, be careful because it is super hot. Okay, mine's just on a little bit too much of the tangy tartness side, and I like mine to be just a little bit sweeter. So I'm gonna add just a tad bit of sugar. So I have the sugar. Let's go ahead, stir that in. Like I said, you don't need that much. I'm just trying to take that little sour edge off. Now I'm gonna grab another spoon We're gonna come in here and taste it again. Oh yes, just that little bit of sugar helped. Now, before we add the juices back in, we're gonna add like a half of a teaspoon the dried minced onion, and we're gonna also add some celery seed. And I'll say an 1/8 teaspoon. Pour your sauce back into the bowl. Let's just give everything a little mix. I'm gonna allow the bacon and the German potato salad dressing to all mingle. We're gonna let the dried onion bloom, and that's gonna go along with our supper. And I already have a side commentary trying to snitch. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna give in and I'm gonna let the old man have a taste. Here you go.
God, that's good, Ma. Man. That's really good, Mama. Thanks.
Okay, you heard it from him. That's just how easy it is to turn your canned German potatoes that I showed you how to do and turn it into a German potato salad.
It's fantastic, Ma.
So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel greatly. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now would be the excellent time to put this on pause so you can copy the recipe.